woke up and watched the giraffes. We ate breakfast in our room, had some bagels and some yogurt, and now we are about to be picked up by the DVC bus or van or whatever you want to call it, and we're going to go take a DVC tour, and fingers crossed maybe some family members will buy into DVC with us.
Or at least be convinced.
So we'll see.
You want me to tell them we're ready, so I can tell them
It's not on my app.
Look at that. Maybe he has babies down there.
We are in Epcot now.
Yeah.
So it is just Jake, Kaylee, Will, me, and Robbie. The rest are back napping.
It's their first day in Epcot. It's always the first for them.
So we're going to explore. I think our first stop is Mission Space.
Mission control.
Attention astronaut candidates.
What's she doing?
If you are uncertain whether Orange Team more intense training is right
Probably.
for you, we strongly encourage you to select Green Team less intense training. Or proceed to the Advanced Training Lab, which offers...
Definitely gonna crush.
But there is one thing they had that you don't have yet. Training. You're here today for flight training, the most thrilling experience that any astronaut candidate will ever have. Before you decide if it's right for you, let me introduce you to your spacecraft. The X-2 Space Shuttle. It's powered by solid hydrogen and can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. So when you hear the words "go for launch," you'll definitely want to hang on.
Ready? His face is so worried.
This is a new level.
You have selected Orange Team.
y'all ready?
Yes.
If you are prone to motion sickness or made uncomfortable,
You ready?
closed dark spaces,
Like this right here.
or spinning,
Where's
you
the gunner?
may exit the training area now. Ask a uniformed crew member for
Second stage and deploy the shield. Sergeant.
Space signal bags are somewhere down there.
I don't even know where.
Jake, come on, let's just. What's one that makes them?
Do we roll? Pitch it? Navigate? Who am I? Commander?
Yeah, you're commander.
What's commander do again? Terminate. Destroy. Oh, so
Jake.
which one are we? What did I do again? What did the commander do?
You
Stage
better.
1, stage 2. Stage prep.
Let's hope you know.
Let's. It tells you press the button and press it. To press these two. Burn them. Oh, here we go.
Burn it, activate. Here I come, Tom Hanks. I'm coming for you. You ready, Jake? Ready.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
Woo! Navigate.
All the towers clear. They're all yours.
Oh my god. Control it. Run, bitch. Fly. I can't breathe. Oh.
Sight, isn't it?
Yeah.
Something to dream about on the way to Mars.
It's so bad.
We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Mission control, the tower is clear. They're all yours.
Mission control to Mars X2.
Computer override engaged.
Mercy, dang.
Earth orbit. Velocity 15,000. 16,000.
You should have visual of the space station now, and you are on course for your slingshot around.
No, don't press him. It'll tell you. Sleeping.
Rise and shine. Let's go, team. We've got a problem.
Beginning evasive maneuvers.
This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing site. Proximity.
She recognizes us.
Relax and enjoy living with the land. Por su seguridad, permanezca sentada con sus manos y brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco y cuida a los pequeñitos. A manera de recordatorio, no tomar fotos con flash y luz de video antes de casa. Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. All parts of this plant, even the flower petals, are edible. The starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking. One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the road. The more popular crops raised by fish farmers. The sustains the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year.
Alright then. Another heady Mickey right here.
Yeah.
Another innovation at work here is our integrated pest management program. By populating our green, reducing our reliance on conventional pesticides.
Are those peppers?
We're growing these crops using our nutrient film system. This technique precisely controls and recycles water and nutrients. With it, we can produce over 27,000 heads of lettuce a year in this one small area.
Oh, the other Mickey.
Control diseases. These crops taste as good as they look. In fact, we serve more than
I don't know how they did
15
that.
tons of
How do they make a
produce from
pumpkin
our
Mickey?
greenhouses in restaurants here at the land every year.
Oh, that's how they make a pumpkin Mickey.
Ah.
Oh, look how they make them. Maybe they force it to grow in them.
Okay.
The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less.
Horses, hats, and of course, these little people. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle.
What do you mean? Like, you know, like I put you all the way up. Well, you're all the way up where you can't see the
Skittles are out there.
Feel the seatbelt feels fine. It's like a rocking chair, too. Yeah.
Soaring to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Oh my gosh.
See what I mean?
1, 2, 3, 4. What is the Smell the grass? Smell it? That's cool.
How was Soren?
It was good.
So good.
Imagine the Epcot where Disney Storytelling invites all of us into a world to Epcot's World Showcase, where we bring together cultures and ideas from around the globe. Some spectacular new films are coming. Let's take a peek at one of them. Wondrous China. Everyone's favorite little shop welcome to France. Let's see what he's cooking up for you.
Bonsoir, and welcome to Calais. Oui, petit chef.
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Rémi.
Oh, cool.
Even the impossible.
It gobbles and watch. Well, turn this fine.
That's so cool.
You want a ramen?
Thank you.
Epcot is proud to present, direct from China, the Jeweled Dragon Acrobats.
too sometimes. Quick. Nope. Oh, I thought he messed up. Ooh, we have to get real fast to get that low. How do you even get this started? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I couldn't do it much longer. Okay. I've tried that before. Hey, Mandy. Hey, David. David, what's going on? Hey, buddy.
On the power. Tip.
Yeah.
Where's Africa place?
It's so good.
Hey, David. I gotta smile.
It's so good.
Come on, smile.
Where's David? Peekaboo! Where's David? Uh-oh, Peekaboo!
They don't deliver to our hotel.
Peekaboo! There he is.
What? Yeah, we did. And the next door over.
And if you get hungry, quick servers over there.
Oh yeah, body mode.
I like it.